Frozen. The Frozen video. Glory hole. Dude, this advertisement keeps popping up.
Yeah, blue. I'm gonna refresh it. Really?
You gotta fix the camera.
Oh, dude.
Look at the veins popping out on his butt. Oh! Oh! Holy shit! Oh!
How did you get it on like a bucket or something? Watch it.
There's so much blood.
Oh my god! Oh my god! It's still gross. It's still bad. Oh man.
He'll never be okay again. He's a different person. It's hot in here. I'm sweating from gagging.
You're crying. You're like sobbing.
He has a lot of blood.
Yeah, you died in the making.
No, he didn't.
I know. Oh my.
That was a big chunk of glass. This is absolutely ridiculous. This is the most disgusting thing I have ever watched.
Isn't it? Isn't it?
I can honestly tell you,
Did you have tears?
I will never, ever be happy again. You can hear it grinding in his ass. It sounds like sand. You know it's gotta be slicing the ass out of his ass on his way out. Look at all that blood!
Dude, it's out of... Oh god.
It's out of control.
It's out of control, dude. Ugh.
Why would you fucking put a pickle jar in your ass?
Or wouldn't you?
First question.
Why wouldn't you? Duh.
It's
We've
thick.
all done it.
That is...
That is thick blood.
He hates life.
That was repulsive in every way.